So check out this really cool work light I just received here. So first off, I'd like to thank the company for sending this out to me to test out. So you can see this is a super cool light. You can use it in all different ways. So right now I have it attached to a metal door. It's magnetic, so you can just stick it wherever you want. It also has a really nice strong clamp, so you can stick it anywhere just like that. It is rotatable 360 degrees. You can angle it any different way, so you can see super useful and versatile. You can see how bright the light is there. There are several different settings here, so you can change the dimness, so different levels of dimness. There's some red lights, strobe lights for emergencies, so very cool. And then there's a spotlight here, so the other button is the spotlight. So you can do that. There's 2 different levels of brightness on the spotlight. So that gives you like a flashlight like that. Really cool. And then you can also use it as a battery bank. So if you want to charge up your phone, you can just plug it in right there. You can charge up your phone. And then it has the USB slot there for charging this up. So it comes with the cable as well. So let's see. Folds down really nice too, so nice and small. Nice strong clamp, so super useful for working in your garage, on your car, job site, whatever, wherever you need a light. Super convenient. You can leave it in the car as well for emergencies. So if you need a light like this, definitely check this one out. Super nice, durable, and bright.